Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today in this video you are going to see how to create custom buttons and links. In this video you are going to learn how to create custom buttons and links and then how to add them to a page layout. Before going to a challenge, let us see what is custom buttons and links. So custom buttons and links are used to access other pages in and outside of your Arch, and you can add custom buttons and links directly to object and record detail pages. Custom buttons and links are of three types, and they are list button, and second one is detail page link, and the next one is detail page button. These three options are given in the field. You can select what kind of button is that, and then you can create a custom button or a custom link. Let us see our challenge. So the given challenge is to add a custom button to a contact. That is, we have to create a custom button for the contact object. So we have to name this object as Google Info, and we have to create a link to the contact name, and also we have to add the custom button to the contacts page layout. To do this challenge, launch your playground, go to setup. So in setup, go to Object Manager tab and select the contact object. In contact object, you can see the button, links and actions here. Click that and select the new button or link button and label this button as Google Info and select the display type as detail page button. Now we have to give the link here. So copy this given link here, paste it, and next. Write the formula as shown and check syntax. So there is no syntax error. So let's save it. Now we have to add this Google Info to the page layout. So go to page layouts and select contact layout. Now you can see in this contact layout various things are given, and select this button. So you can see Google Info added here. Just click that Google Info here and drag it to this contact detail. So your custom button is added here. Now click save or quick save. So this is saved. Now let's check our challenge. We have completed this challenge successfully. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and keep watching other videos to know other units. Thank you.